Welcome back, Huskies. Today we're going to work on day 6. So let's go ahead and start with our magical steps. Circle X's. So we're going to go ahead and take our circle from our tools and circle -5x. Look at that. We have never had a negative x, but today we do. But we're going to just keep on doing our steps. -5x. We're going to come and get our circle here and put it right there. Step 2, color code. So we are going to go to +5. That's going to be yellow. And we're going to go to -5, and that's going to be red. Just like before. Even though we have a -5x and -x, we're going to keep our steps. Find the opposite. Okay, so we want -5x by itself, so we have +5 that we need to find the opposite. So we're going to put +5. We're going to color code this as well. +5. That's going to be a yellow. And the opposite of +5 is -5. Okay, and we're going to color code that. So it's really important that we put our notes here, because when we get to the equation over here, we want to make sure that we put the correct opposite. Not opposite of -45, but opposite of +5. So here is -5 and -5 on both sides. We're going to go ahead and color code this. Oh, there we go. Color code -5. And here's -5 as well. Color code that. And now what we have is we finished step 3. We're going to simplify. When we simplify, we put the arrow here, and we're going to go ahead and bring down -5x. Please make sure you don't forget your negative. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight just the X in blue to remind me that I need to get blue by itself. Okay, so we have +5 and -5. We're going to make 0 pairs. We're going to go over here and get Harry Potter's magical wand with, wand, and that's going to be zeros. So now we're going to come over here. We have 2 reds, -45 and -5. We're going to add them together, -50. Okay. So when we simplify, we have -5x equals -50. Now I want to get x by itself. So see here we have -5. So we're going to have groups -5. Okay. We're going to put -5 on both sides. So -5 and -5. And remember here we are dividing. So the rules up here are for adding and subtracting integers. Then down here we are dividing. So we're going to come over here. We have 2 negatives. When we divide or multiply with 2 negatives, we have a positive. So here we're going to have a positive answer. But don't forget, let's go ahead and put our number 1. Our x is by itself. That's our giant 1. It's by itself. So since it's a positive positive sign, we can go ahead and put that there. And 5 times 10 will give me 50. Oops, let me go ahead and make it a bit bigger. And there we go. 5 times 10 is 50. We have a positive. So 5 times 10 is 50. Another way to look at it is 50 divided by 5 10 times. So there you go, Huskies. Even though we had a -5, it was a little bit scary at the beginning, kind of like the dragon, but you got this.